Hello and welcome to the Company Interiors channel. Today we're going to be talking about health and well-being, and we're going to be talking about breakout spaces. In terms of design, it's very straightforward. What we're trying to do is we're trying to create good air, good light, and as close to the natural environment as we can possibly get. Now, here today, we're in my studio. Behind me is the moss wall that we have done a video about on our channel. And this is really what it's all about. We're trying to create within the work environment breakout spaces, and these are spaces that are used for different purposes, different styles of meeting, maybe more informal. And certainly within high-tech businesses, they're talking about accidental collisions. And these are areas that you're trying to inspire the workforce to come together, to meet, to share, to discuss, to come up with great new ideas for the business and for themselves. So health and well-being is really trying to create relaxing spaces, spaces that people enjoy to go to. So we want them to be bright. We want them to have different features within them to make them vibrant. So let's have a look at a couple of projects that we have completed. One of the first ones here is a company called Cymec, a high technology company, very relaxed workforce, very dynamic business. They need to attract young entrepreneurs and creators. So the breakout spaces are very, very important to them, because this is where the millennials, certainly the younger generations as well, will feel more at ease. They are coming from a Starbucks style environment. You know, they expect it to be relaxed. So we want to create different heights, different heights where people can sit at, bistro height, so bar stools, taller tables, stand environments, you know, where people will stand to have a conversation. So bright finishes. Let's try and use good use of light on reflective surfaces. So on this one you see bright purple. There's all the colors of the rainbow that you can use for the splashbacks. So let's have another look at another example. This one we're looking at FleetCore. A smaller tea point, a smaller workplace. Very important to be looking at hot water taps, instant boiling water, instant chilled water. So you'll find some links on this video or below this video, which will be where we actually get the products from. The zip taps or Kuka taps, very useful to install these within the tea point environments. We have digital wall coverings, matching some colors of the chairs, and a very relaxed and informal space. The tea points themselves, try and use gloss finishes. Try and make, if you can spend the money, spend it on the work surfaces, good lighting, and therefore the carcasses and the units and this and the rest of the tea point doesn't need to be very expensive. So you can get creative with that. And then the third environment that we're showing you here is GVA, Avison Young, another project that we completed, a nice large L-shaped seating area with moat sofas from the Senator Group. Use of connectivity within that environment. You can actually have plugs within the sofas where you can charge devices, and then ceiling rafts, you know, different features within that environment. Glass surrounds to the tea points. Always useful in the office to be able to see through into the environment, because this is where you have a different sort of cultural feeling in there, more relaxed. So that's a good start for a tea point, good start for breakout facilities. See what you can do within your environment. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again.